beautiful. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy. I'm a makeup artist, and today we're going to talk about Blonzer. What is Blonzer? Blonzer is blush and bronzer mixed together as a hybrid to create this soft flush that's a very natural glow to your skin. So there are Blonzers on the market right now, which is the combination of a blush and a bronzer, and they come in a liquid form and a powder form. But what I want to show you today is a DIY, how you can do this at home with your favorite blush from your color code. Okay, so go ahead and grab your favorite blush, grab a blush brush, and we're going to load up that blush on your brush. Then grab your bronzer. Go ahead and swirl that on there. Now we have the combination on the brush. So here's the key. This is how we are going to apply. We're going to create a W on the face, like exactly where the sun would hit you if you were out in the sun. Then we're going to go across the forehead. And you might even get some sun here on your chin, maybe a little bit more on the nose. So this is buildable. And you can go ahead and add as much as you want to get that nice natural flush. You're going to be glowing. I hope you'll try it. There's some resources in the box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, bye-bye.